My name is David Barker. I'm one of the owners of BHK Agro. We're a company based in Switzerland, and we export Morris products into the former Soviet Union, along with some other Canadian products. We started as a Morris distributor over 5 years ago, and the market is driven primarily in its booms and in its drops by financial restrictions. It's very different than the Canadian market and the North American market in general in terms of what drives customers and what they're looking for in product. So as a result, when Morris is thinking about strategy, it's important, since they want to have diversification in their risks. It's important for them to think in terms of product development radically differently for what we need as to what farmers in this part of the world need. It's difficult to say one average because you have different types. There are the small farms that are about 5,000 hectares, so I guess it's somewhere around 13,000 acres is considered small. A medium size is from 40 to say 70,000 hectares, and then the large holdings have up to 1 million hectares. The whole country has 20 million hectares, and you would probably have from the arable land in the holdings and the larger farms probably about 50%. And then the rest is split up between the medium size and the small. Really, technologically, they have some very sophisticated equipment. You've got some very advanced GPS, utilization of GPS in combines. Swathers, Canadian swathers from MacDon are very popular, and we've sold a whole bunch of those into the market, as well as then no-till technology, C1 type of equipment, and seeders. The problem is that because financing becomes an issue, it's expensive to get a lot of herbicides and various chemicals into the ground and fertilizers, as well as if you do make that investment and you double your yields, the question is going to be where do you put then that increased yield, because you don't have an elevator. And so there's a whole line of investments that have to be made that then dampen the amount and the percentage of the market that's going to go to a new technology like a no-till technology. So most of our customers are still buying a more simple technology, which is like the Maxim 2.